Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a very big Dollar Tree haul. I know I've been gone for a couple weeks. That's because I have not been shopping as much, but I did accumulate a lot of goodies from Dollar Tree that I wanted to show you guys here on YouTube. By the way, if you guys are not already, please make sure to follow me on TikTok. Your girl has been very active over there. That's the best way to keep up with me as I find the finds in stores. I post them versus YouTube while I might do like a major haul. But yeah, I'll put the link in the description bar to go follow me on TikTok. But let's get into the goodies from Dollar Tree. So this was actually from Dollar Tree, you guys. Can you believe that? I went into one of the Dollar Trees that had the plus section. So this was in their $3 and $5 section. This is a huge plushie. Do y'all see that? I had to pick her up. She's so cute, just to put on my bed in my loft with all of my other Five Below squishies. This is gonna be the biggest one. I think that for $5, this is a really good deal. Now let's talk body care. Bam. Why didn't y'all tell me about these body washes from before? I found out about them on TikTok and I was hunting them for like a full week. I've only been able to get these two so far, but if you see these in your Dollar Tree, grab them. Like, grab multiples, especially if you're a gourmand lover. The scent on these just smell straight up out of a bakery, and that's kind of my vibe. I love any scent that lingers and just let me feel like I'm a little snack. This, of course, is the sugar cookie one, and it's from the brand Personal Care. Again, I don't know what they put in these, but I absolutely love them. And for $1, the staying power on these is way better than even Bath and Body Works, to be honest. And I have the new scent. I think this is the sugared churro. There are a couple other scents of this. I think they release like seasonal scents, and I'm hunting them down. I've been able to find jelly bean and the what's it called, something other peaches on eBay. So I got a good deal on that, and that should be here tomorrow. But I wanted to show you guys these two and to let you know, if you see them, pick them up. So I think we all know that Power Stick has the new scent in the Brazilian Mist. They have a couple products. They have their own body wash, they have wipes, they have shaving gel. I mean, I tested everything out so far. I think this is my top fave product. This one to me is the best dupe of the Sol de Janeiro. And I'll put the a little screenshot right here of what scent from Sol de Janeiro is supposed to be mimicking. But if you are a caramel lover, again, it has notes of pistachio and salted caramel. If you see this, be sure to pick it up. Really nice. I just use it as like a spray prior to me like going to bed. Does it last like for hours and hours? Probably not. No, it doesn't. I don't think I've ever woken up and still smell like a Brazilian mist, but it's just a nice little vibes, just to let you feel comfy and edible, you know, before you go to bed. You could probably even use it as a pillow spray. I have been so lucky. I found the Glow Recipe dupes, y'all. I found all of them, but let me just show you these three. So this one is the Glow Up Renewing Serum in, I think it's like with avocado and ceramides. I haven't tried them yet, of course, because they're in the packaging. But how lucky am I to have scored these? And for only $1, hopefully these are really good. If you've tried them and you think that you want to give me some recommendations, go ahead and do so in the comment section. But for $1.25, if these are comparable to Glow Recipe, I'm gonna be really happy. Bam! I picked up this. And what I love with these, they're actually in glass containers. If you shop at Dollar Tree a lot, you know that most of their products are typically on the cheaper packaging side, but these are really good. Heavy and seems like really good quality. They really took their time to perfect the dupe level of this. I mean, look at this. Loving the pink packaging. I also picked up this one, and this is by Global Beauty Care. It's their moisturizing daily gel face lotion. I'm gonna be honest, I bought it because of the packaging. So hopefully it's good. Again, if you've tried any of these, let me know in the comment section. And your girl has also been super lucky. Look what I found, a complete aisle of them. If you follow me on TikTok, you know I recorded, like, I don't know, the town I went to, they clearly don't know the viral products. Like, I do recommend, if you're hunting for the hard to find items like this, go to cities that have like more of a senior citizen type of vibe, if you know what I mean. But yeah, these have been all the rave on TikTok. So when I saw them, I was like, excuse me, for $1.25, and I only got these two. I wasn't gonna be like some of y'all that would have cleared the shelves and put them up on sale for like $8 a piece, you know. I ain't saying. But I also found the poopery dupe. Loving how slender these are and that you can just slide them easily in your purse or your bathroom pouch. Stocked up on my hand wipes. I just picked up the watermelon one and the green apple one. These again are really good, especially if you have a toddler. Always need wipes. I got these Be Pure antibacterial hand wipes as well, just for my car. I'm just gonna put it beside my baby's car seat just to use to wipe his hands after daycare pickup. Love the packaging. Will go perfect with my pink decor, although it's kind of on the red side, but you know, it'll pair well with pink, I think. In the feminine aisle, if you guys see these, pick them up. These are so nice just to have these single vaginal wipes for your purse or of course your bathroom bag. Let me show you what they look like. And I've been using them for a while. They will like disappear from the Dollar Tree sometimes, so when you do see them, just stock up on them. But how cute is that? Very discreet. I think they do have the unscented one as well for those sensitive girlies, but this is the coconut water scent. Antibacterial wipes, same jam. These are just the single ones for your purse. Love and highly recommend. These are fairly new to the Dollar Tree as well. They have these cute little facial tissues that fit perfectly in the cup holder of your car. So if you see these, I would strongly recommend picking them up. I did get a couple. I believe my husband also got one in his stocking from my mom for Christmas, and they're really handy. Okay, so nails. I've been trying to be a good girl because I really don't need any nails. So when I see them, I'm just trying to like look away. But I had to get these. How nice are these for spring? The pink and the green. That's really nice, don't you think? And then we also had this one. Now I noticed that some of the Dollar Trees have started selling this brand, Pretty Woman. I mostly see this brand at $5 below. So to know that you can get this same $5 pack of nails for only $1.25. Of course, it's just some of the designs. If you want a wider variety, you will have to just continue buying them at $5 below. But shoot, look at the glitter. This is a nice cute design. And I typically use this glue for my nails. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to debate with y'all. I know some people are like, why you should use regular nail glue. I've been using this for years. They've never failed me, so mind your business. Thank y'all. And I also got this cuticle remover. Not sure if it's any good. You know, I clearly got it for the packaging. Some Vaseline. This hand cream, perfect for your purse, and it's actually really moisturizing. It does give you a slight grease / glow effect, you know, as the Vaseline brand is known for. So if you suffer from extra dry skin, try this out. I saw this and I had to pick it up. I tried it yesterday, so I did use it when I vacuumed the carpet in my bedroom, and it does give off a scent and it does last for hours. I'm still smelling it slightly right now, and that was last night when I vacuumed. So if you see these carpet and room deodorizers with baking soda, this is a steal compared to buying, you know, the brand name version at Walmart or Target. And lastly, I did pick up my favorite shampoo. No matter how many high-end brands I try, I will always be a VO5 girly, okay? Argue with your mama, I don't care. Listen, for me, for my hair texture, I put this in my hand, any brush, any comb, just glides right through. I love specifically their moisturizing shampoo, and of course strawberries and cream, so yummy. So I got this. They did change the packaging, I'm noticing, but yep, hopefully the formula is still the same. Got it in the passion fruit smoothie and the kiwi lime squeeze, and this one is the clarifying, so I'm thinking of using the clarifying shampoo first, and then I'll go in with my moisturizing shampoo to help pre-detangle. So this is it, you guys. This is everything I got. Just a very small quick haul. Hope you guys loved it. Again, please go over to TikTok. Please, 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 if you're on TikTok, please go over and follow me. It's my new page. My old one got deleted, so I'm trying to build my followers back up, trying to, you know, get the postings back on schedule and just get into the vibe. I would greatly appreciate it. But as usual, until next time, I love you guys. Bye.